Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So I always start on the daily because the daily time frame is extremely important, and we definitely do not have a Fibonacci retracement bounce. We did get a little bit of a bounce, but I don't think it's a fib bounce. We never did take out this previous high over here like I think it should. And if this really is like an expanding flat, the more likely targets for an expanding flat for me are way up here, which puts us up into the higher wave form, which I think would be a really good, liquidity grab for the market. So yes, it does look like the dollar is potentially due for a pullback, but there's no signs of a pullback besides one bearish candle that didn't even engulf to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it definitely looks like something that could potentially pull back. So if we do get a break of structure, then fine, we can start looking for shorts on the dollar. We do not have a break of structure yet, and it could always make a higher low and just keep on trending up on the daily. If and when it does break structure, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up right here, and then I would observe the market to see if it makes a very overlapping corrective pattern to this move down, or whether it makes like a brand new impulsive move to the downside. But all that is not really important until you actually get a break of structure to the downside, and we definitely do not have a break of structure to the downside yet. So definitely still bullish the dollar just based on structure and the pattern we see. So we need to apply that information to the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.